back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to do a chickpea and potato curry. We've got some wonderful, beautiful spices in there. It's absolutely delicious, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. So here I've got some chickpeas. That's a can of chickpeas washed nicely in some cold water. Like 2 large tomatoes chopped nice and small. Try and use a nice juicy one. I've got some potatoes here. They've been washed, peeled and cut into that sort of size pieces. There's 2 large potatoes there. 1 onion, I'm using a white onion today, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, some fresh cilantro or coriander, a little bit of fresh chili, up to you how much you put in. And they're what I always call the big 4. So they're equal parts 1 teaspoon each. Chilli, turmeric, coriander and cumin. By the way, all of the ingredients and amounts are going to be in the text below. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. We might add a little touch of water. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so here we are. I've got my favourite pot at the moment with some oil in. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could, if you want, be using something different. We're going to be starting off with those cumin seeds. Just let them do their thing for a few seconds in that oil. They'll infuse it and give it a fantastic flavour. We're now going to add our potatoes. And we're going to fry these around for about 4 minutes. Okay, there's about 4 minutes there. I mean, these are still very, very hard, but we've got them on their way. We're now going to add in our onion. I'm using a white onion today. Using red if you wanted. I'm also going to add in our cooked chickpeas now. With some salt before I forget. And we're going to go for another 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving. At this point now we're going to add in our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of finely minced garlic and ginger, funny enough. Okay, staying on this heat, which is, you know, a little bit lively, not crazy, just above a medium. 2 more minutes. Wonderful. Coming together really nicely now. Okay, let's get our spices in, let's take a look. Now, if you wanted, you could be using a curry mix you already have. I'm going for 1 teaspoon each of chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. So let's get that in. Give that a stir in. Get those spices in there just for a few seconds. We're then going to add our tomatoes, like I say, nice fresh tomatoes, but nice and juicy, nice and ripe. We're going to add those little bits of fresh chili, up to you how much you put in. We're going to add some water. We're going to give that a mix. We're going to pop the lid on, turn the heat down to not a simmer but above a simmer, and let that go for about 5 to 6 minutes. What we want is those tomatoes to really break down, do their thing. Just lost a chili there, back in mate. And yeah, that's it. Give it a stir every now and then if you want. Yeah, 5 minutes with the lid on. It's going to be wonderful. We're very nearly there. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out comes the steam. That was 5 minutes there. Let's just check these potatoes out. I'm pretty sure they're great. So what you're looking for is to get your potatoes nice and tender. And of course you can see those tomatoes with that little bit of water have produced a beautiful masala or gravy for us. What we're going to do now is check that for salt, and then I'm going to get some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in the mix. If you wanted, you could add, let me see if I can grab some right here, add a little bit of, which I didn't show you earlier, a little bit of garam masala powder, just to finish it off there, nice hefty pinch. Give that a mix and we're done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.